In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a sequence in HubSpot step by step. If you want to automate follow-ups, nurture leads, and stay consistent with your outreach without manually sending emails every single day, this is going to be a game changer for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a sequence from scratch or from a template, add emails and tasks, set delays, and properly save everything so it runs smoothly. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is sign into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the top navigation menu and click on Automation. In the drop-down, select Sequences. This will take you to the Sequences tool where you can manage all of your existing sequences or create a new one. In the top right corner of the screen, click on Create Sequence. Now you'll need to choose your starting point. HubSpot gives you two main options. Option 1 is to start from scratch. If you want full control and prefer building everything yourself, click on Blank Sequence. This gives you a completely empty workflow where you can add each step manually. Option 2 is to use a template. HubSpot provides predefined templates like follow-up sequences or lead nurture sequences. These are great if you want a proven structure and just need to customize the messaging. Simply select the template you like and click Use Template. Once you've chosen your starting point, it's time to add steps to your sequence. Click on the plus Add Step button. You'll see several options, such as automated email, task, or manual email. Automated email will send automatically based on your timing settings. A manual email reminds you to send a more personalized message. A task can be used for things like follow-up calls or LinkedIn outreach. Choose the step type that fits your strategy. If you select an email, you can either choose an existing email template or create a new one right there. Write your subject line, personalize your message using tokens if needed, and make sure the content aligns with your goal. After setting up the content, you'll need to define the delay. This determines how many days HubSpot waits before triggering this step after the previous one. For example, you might set a 2-day delay after the first email before sending the next follow-up. Once everything looks good, click Save to add the step to your sequence. You can continue clicking Add Step to build out the entire flow. A simple sequence might include an initial outreach email, a follow-up email 2 days later, a task to call the contact, and then a final check-in email. Make sure your timing feels natural and not overwhelming for the recipient. After building your steps, the next thing you should do is name your sequence. At the top of the screen, click on the sequence title. Enter a clear and descriptive name, something like Inbound Lead Nurture Q1 or Demo Follow-up Sequence. Using clear names helps you stay organized, especially if you plan to create multiple sequences. Once you've entered the name, click Save. Finally, take a moment to review everything carefully. Go through each step and confirm the delays are correct, the email content looks good, and the tasks are scheduled appropriately. Double-check personalization tokens to avoid errors. When you're confident everything is set up correctly, click Save again to finalize your sequence. And that's it. You've successfully created a sequence in HubSpot. Now you can enroll contacts and let HubSpot handle the follow-ups automatically, saving you time while keeping your outreach consistent and professional. If this video helped you create your first sequence, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.